Hello, biology and AP environmental science. The purpose of this video is to give you an opportunity to get some practice and some explanation with the metric system. You should have this handout. It'll look a little bit different than the one I'm using, as I have modified that handout for videos purposes. So the easiest way to remember how to convert one unit with a prefix being kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, and milli, into another prefix is by using something I lovingly call the grid. Okay. For biology, you guys will have the grid on your first unit test. AP Environmental Science, I don't test you on the metric system, but certainly on the math-based free response question, you might encounter a question where you would have to convert. Additionally, some of the multiple choice questions that you get on the AP test, you'll probably know how to convert, have to know how to convert as well. So because this is a video, the sub may pause the video for a few seconds to give you an opportunity to write down what you think the answer is. Of course, it's totally fine if you want to do these all really quickly and then just simply wait for the solutions. Most of you guys are pretty savvy at this, at least all my upperclassmen. I'm sure that you're pretty savvy at this. The freshmen or those people taking biology may have had less experience with the metric system. All right, so without further ado, here we go. When you move to the right in the grid, the decimal moves to the right. When you move to the left in the grid, the decimal moves to the left. So in this first example, we're going from hecto to centi. So we're moving 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to the right. So that means my decimal is going to move 4 places to the right. So that's going to be 3, 9, 7, 8, 4, pardon me, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 9, 7, 8, 4, 2, 4 spaces to the right. And I like put a space in there. All right. So another way to think about this is a kilo is a very, very large prefix. Milli is a very, very small prefix. So if we're moving from large to small, the number is going to move from small to large. So that relationship is inverse. All right, next one. We are going from kilo to oh my goodness. Yeah, decameter and decimeter would be the same thing. So I'm just going to use that as a differentiation. Decameter. All right, let's see. So we're moving from the right to the left. Pardon me, left to the right, and we're going 2 spaces. So that means my decimal is going to go 2 spaces to the right. So that's going to be 0.3298 decameters. And again, the number is getting larger as the unit prefix is getting smaller. All right, on to the next one. We are going from millimeters to kilometers. We're moving from the right to the left. That means my decimal is going to be going 6 places to the left. So here's 1 place, 2 place, and then I'm going to need 4 zeros. So 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 7, 5, 4, 2, 1. And that means if I'm getting larger in my prefix, that means my number should be getting smaller, and it's going from 77 to a very small decimal place. So that is correct logic as well. All right, on to the next one. We're going meters, and we'll make this a decimeter. All right, let's see. We're going meter to decimeter. So we're going 1 space to the right, which means my decimal is going to go 1 space to the right. That's going to be 0.054 decimeter. My number is getting slightly larger. My prefix is getting smaller. So the logic is sound. Next one. Centi to hecto. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to the left. So I've got 1 space, 2 spaces. I'm going to need 2 zeros, 0.0098 7742. My number is getting smaller. My unit prefix is getting bigger, so the logic is sound. All right, we're going milli to kilo. We're going 6 spaces to the left. So 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left, and then 3 zeros. 9, 8, 5, 4, 3. All right, let's see. The prefix is getting bigger. The number is getting smaller. All right, we're going from deciliters to liters. 1 space to the left. 3.26743. All right, the prefix is getting larger. My number is getting slightly smaller. All right, kilo to meters. 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 6, 4, 3. Let's see, my prefix is getting smaller and my number is getting bigger. All right, that's all the practice I have for you guys. Of course, there are plenty of worksheets with solutions online. I'm sure there are plenty of videos that walk you through kind of the same activity that I did if you feel that you need more practice. All right, you guys, I will see you when I see you.